pack open. Let's pack this.
Mommy.
Here is the booster pack. Here's the code card if needed.
Now I'm a mermaid. You're a mermaid?
My rare is Apollo Sand and a reverse Fomantis. Let's open Guardians Rising. Let's open Guardians Rising. Garbodor's the rare. And here's the code card. Wait, that was the... Here's the code card. Okay, next pack, Evolutions. Next pack, Evolutions. I mean, this pack is getting really tough to find now. Oh, Machamp break! Oh my gosh. Look what we got. A Machamp break. So a Machamp break, then the rest of these cards. Our reverse was a Vulpix.
Yeah.
So, Machamp break is our pull of the day. Look at this beautiful break card. Next is, let's open Crimson Invasion now. So,
hello, Mama's here. Anybody?
Huh?
No. That's exactly why I don't want you out. I'm just something to the hip.
okay.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like a beef or chicken?
Now let's open this booster. Green code again. Wigglytuff and Spoink. Beef.
Nathaniel goes with beef also.
Okay.
Hi. We're doing fantastic.
Okay. Well, I actually really want a prism because I don't have the prism. And we got a green code again. Circuitry and Rotom. And it's a rare. So it's a reverse rare Rotom, and that's all. Here's and then we go for our last pack, sadly. And here's the last pack. I'm going to do the card trick. Okay. Here's the code card. Oh. Here. Okay, so fighting. This card. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Sligoo. Oops. Stupider. Gumi. This. Bergmite. Pancham. A reverse Inkay, and oh my gosh! Look at this card. Palkia GX Full Art. We got 2 pulls, well 3 actually. What do you think? Is this worth it or not? Look at these polls. So you get a full. Okay, so here's our poll. So our first poll is a Machamp break. Oh, Machamp break, Palkia GX, and a reverse red Rotom. What do you think of this video? What's your favorite poll? Comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!